Spring has begun and this is the time for getting ready jasmine plant. Jasmine is adorable by its soothing fragrance. More fragrance around means more blooms on your plant. Getting blooms is easy, but little bit tricky. My today's video is about how to get maximum blooms in summer on your jasmine plant so that we could enjoy a soothing fragrance whole summer. If you want to grow your plant in a right way, then you are at the right place because here you can find the answers of all your how-tos just by clicking the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Please subscribe to my channel for enjoying happy gardening with me. For getting maximum flowers, we have to prune these old branches. And this is the best time to do soft pruning because during the winter season, summer plants undergo dormancy and stop their growth. This is actually the resting period of the summer plants. And at the beginning of spring, they get started for fresh growth. Actually, flowers arise on new branches, and more new branches means more flowers on your plant. So for getting more branches, two things are important. Number one, cut the branch above the node because after cutting, two new branches will appear to grow sideways. In this way, each branch gives two branches. So let's start the pruning. Now I have pruned my jasmine plant and this is very painful to cut your well grown plant, and you can see this is very healthy branch. It's very long and healthy, but no worries, I will use this branch for growing cuttings and hope I will get bushier jasmine plant full of flowers in future. Second important thing I have to tell you is that cut the branch in the same way after each bloom. Means when flower started wilting, cut that branch, which in turn gives two branches. And in this way your plant will be full of flowers. And you know, more flowers means more fragrance around. But one thing is important here. Never forget to fertilize your plant after pruning. For this, remove the soil till the roots started to visible. Mix some cow dung compost and banana peel powder with the soil and give this soil to your plant. Cow dung compost in it contain nitrogen which will help in the growth of branches. And banana peel powder is rich in potassium and other nutrients which is very good for producing more flowers. And don't forget to water your plant just after fertilizing. So get ready your jasmine and enjoy its soothing fragrance throughout summer.